Start. So, good morning. Today we are going to start tenses. Tense. What is tense? What is the meaning of tense? Time. Time, right? So we are giving respect to the time. So it is a past tense, present tense, and future tense. And each tense is again divided into four parts. So there are around 12. Don't worry, tense is not tension. Tense, I will make it very simple. Very easy it is. Okay? Nothing to worry about this. Now, any tense, when you learn, you should know when we are going to use this. Which situation we are going to use the tense. That is very easy. Otherwise, what happened if you learn all the 12 tenses and you walk somewhere and someone else is coming here, you have to open the book and see which tense I should speak now. पंगा हो जाएगा. Okay? So, as I said, you got present tense, past tense, and future tense. In this again, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous, same way, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future tense, future continuous, future perfect continuous. It looks little complicated, but it's very easy. I'll make it very, very simple. Okay. Now, first we will see which all occasions we are going to use this simple tense. Okay. Few occasions I will tell you. Now, number one is routines. What do you mean by routines? I didn't ask what is daily routine. I asked what is routine. Routine means something which we repeat in a particular interval. Okay. Daily routine means you take bath, no? Okay. Brush. Okay. Oh, that also is. Okay, that is daily routine. Suppose every weekend you go for a movie. That is your weekly routine. Every month, last Friday, you visit your grandma. That is your monthly routine. Every Deepavali, you go to your native. That is your annual routine. So, you understood what is the meaning of routine? So, that is one occasion. Okay. Now, you can say, I go to Nile at 9 a.m. That means that is every day 9 o'clock, you come to Nile. Right? That is your routine. Next is hobbies and habits. Hobby means what? What you like to do when you are free. Right? There also we use this. I listen to music. I sing songs. All those things. Okay? Another is general things. General things means I just made it like that. Suppose uh, I, I, I am just telling you in my class, see, we are going to make a volleyball team in Nile. Okay. So immediately some of you will say, sir, I play volleyball. That means what? You didn't play yesterday. You are not playing now. You are not going to play tomorrow, but you know how to play. That is a general things. Okay. Then come to truths and facts. Some universal truths. Universal truth means which we cannot change. You cannot change it. What? चाय बनाते हो? कितने डिग्री में पानी उबलते हो? 100 degree it boils, right? Can you change it? 80 degree में चलो उबालो नहीं. Cannot, no? So that is actually a general truth. Or you can say the earth revolves around the sun. Can you stop the earth? बहुत दिन हो गए तू घूम रहे बंद हो जाओ. It's not possible, right? Like that. Then permanent situation and states. Permanent situations. Ringu stays in Bangalore or Ringu lives in Bangalore. That's a state. Then scheduled future events. A future guy. But you are going to use the simple present tense, especially when you talk about the flight time, train time, all those things. Okay. The flight departs at 5 a.m. tomorrow. This tomorrow. Kal hai. But you are telling departs. Will depart, we are not telling. So, this also we use simple present tense. Okay. Now, when you give a instruction in directions, instruction especially Here I have given an example. A parent is telling to a child, you study till 10 a.m., then you go to sleep. So study, go, everything is in simple present tense. Okay, no past tense. Then stative verbs and expressions of feelings. Some of our feelings. I love ice cream. Okay, all these places we use simple present tense. Okay, understood? Let's see. Now, when we make these tenses, when we learn the tenses, what we do is we will make three types of sentences. One is positive, one is negative, one is interrogative. Interrogative means questions. Okay. Now, in a positive sentence, I'm going to show you all the three will be, there will be structure. Structure means Benham, structure. So, if you know the structure, it is easy to fill. They say structure of a building is what? Basement, pillar, all those things. When you make all those things, it is easy to make your kitchen or room, all those things, right? Same way we will see the structure. First, we will take the positive sentence. So, as I told you in the last class, when I taught you the persons, remember persons? Person, in the last class I took person. So, I said all these pronouns we are going to use throughout our tenses. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. First person, second person, third person, that we learned, right? So that is what we are going to use it. We are not going to use any name here for our easy purpose. Okay. So when you take the positive sentence, first will be subject. What do you mean by subject? Subject means about whom or about what you are speaking. किसके बारे में कोई चीज के बारे में बोलते हो, that is subject. The balance is object or predicate. So subject, then immediately verb will come. So always remember simple present tense is, you can think it's a direct verb. No am, no is, no are, no will, nothing will come. Okay. Subject, then immediately symbol form of the verb will come. So subject, verb, then object. Very simple. Subject, verb, and object. Here, I teach English. I teach English, right? So this is a simple present tense. Every day I'm teaching English. We study at Nile. We study at Nile. You run fast. They play cricket. Now what happened? When you come to he, she, it, these are singular. Okay. When the subject is singular, you have to make the verb also singular. So what happened? You have to add s, es or ies with the verb. Be very careful. You must add s, es and is. Now you will have a doubt. Kaise add karenge? How I am going to add? That formula will be taught you later. Now let us learn this. Now the same verb we are taken here. He teach English, you cannot say. He teaches English. You taken study here. She studies at Nile. Run, it runs fast. So he, she, it, we are going to add yes, es or is. The positive sentence is clear. Let us go to the negative. Negative, what means? Negative means no, right? So we have to use don't. Don't means what? Do not. Do plus not. Don't or doesn't. Okay. So subject, then immediately you make negative. Don't or doesn't, then verb, then object. So same way, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay. So I, we, you, they, you use don't or do not. He, she, it, you will use doesn't or does not. Now you think, you see, for your easy thing I'm telling you, you already used here yes, right? Already, yes used here. So you need not to add s or es here. This is just to think, trick. Okay. So I don't teach English. We don't study at Jain, not at Nile. Okay. Nile mein to hai. Okay. We don't study at Jain. You don't run fast. They don't play cricket. Now we came to he, she, it. what happened? This teacher's studies and runs will not be there. It will be, he doesn't teach English. She doesn't study it. Right. It doesn't run fast. Is that clear? Clear? Now we'll go to question. What happened? Making questions are very simple if you know a trick. What you have to do, you have to just bring do and does. Okay, the question word should be in the beginning. Remaining everything is same. Like you can see here, just bring do here and does here. Only problem is when you would use does here, yes and yes will go out. So, if you bring do I teach English? मैं खुद से पूछा do I teach English? That question you can ask to me. Do you teach English? Do you teach French? Right? The next is, do we study at Jane or Nile, whatever? Do you run fast? Do they play cricket? Does when you use, you have to use teach, not teachers. Does he teach English? Does she study at Nile? Does it run fast? Very simple, isn't it? So tense is not tension. Okay, Divya? Tenses are very, very easy. Any doubt in this? If any doubt in this, you can just ask me or you can comment in the comment box. Okay? Done? Thank you.